Ayan, so dito na kami sa entrance ng Binga Dam. Ayan. So this is the entrance of Binga Dam. Ayan. Ayan. So dito kami, and ito ang entrance. Ayan, so ayan, dito na po yung Binga Dam. Ayan guys. Ayan, so there you are. Ayan, so doon muna kami, yan ang parking po, ayan, okay. So this is Binga Dam, the biggest dam in Benguet. Dito nanggagaling din mga electric current ng some part of Manila. And of course, the whole part of Benguet. Ayan guys. So ayan, lapit tayo dito sa aking mga kaibigan. Ay, itong mga kabatsmate ko. So we are here now with my... Ayan, so there you are guys. Ito na po sila. Yes, hello! Say hi here!
Hello!
Hi! So ayan, dito na kami ngayon sa entrance ng Binga. We are going ayan, okay. So ayan, ito na yung entrance guys, ito na. So pasok na tayo. Papasok kami for briefing. Ayan, may briefing pa bago kami papasok sa cave dito sa mines. Okay, ayan guys. See you later. So ayan, dito na kami ngayon sa entrance na mabibriefing muna kami dito. Okay, let's go inside. And there is briefing here. Ayan, may briefing. Ayan. Saan? Saan yung iba? Ayan. I-briefing nila kami. Ayan, dito po yung bago po kami papasok, may entrance.
Believes that safety is as much a personal responsibility as it is an organizational responsibility. The goal of this induction is to ensure the safety of all employees and guests in our facilities. As we promote a culture of safety toward a safer and healthier workplace for our team and partners. Potential hazards and risks in the powerhouse. Medium and high voltage. Fire and explosion. Rotating machines and moving equipment such as overhead cranes and suspended loads. Noise levels exceeding 85 decibels. Slips, trips, and falls. High temperature. Fumes. Dust. Limited and slippery passages.
So, mag-ano muna kami.
Water emergency number 599 Abu Cloud or 299 Binga. Call the attention of employees or guards on site. Call the attention of the site nurse or proceed to the clinic in case of an emergency health issue. Use the emergency exits cautiously in case the regular exit points are inaccessible. In case of evacuation, follow the gate checkpoint. For details, check the signages in the site you are located in or consult with the site safety officer.
Sino pa yung hindi nagsabi?
Occurrences, incidents, and emergencies. Reporting unwanted occurrence or RUO, unsafe act, or condition to the employee accompanying you, or use the eRUO web-based app available at the site. For any medical issues or emergencies, the site nurse can assist you at the clinic during
Data mapila pa to, ma-check lang yun, nagan. Checkbox lang natin na discuss video.
Wala, hindi sila nakinig.
So, bumaba tayo, at saka si Sinaya.
Ayan pa yung senior engineer dito.
Oo, di ka ba nag-mix mo na?
Ay, bali, pasok nila. So, aguray ka nyo ka. Wagod ba?
Hello, sir.
Aguray. Tapos, no,ag-book sa tayo ito. Sabay-sabay tayo. Sasaro na tayo. Awati, ag-siri-siri di conforme nga pangay. Ada di CCTV magkindi ng makamasitar kayo no.
Ayan, briefing muna. Nga mabaling ag-video dyan, unag. Ayan, so tapos na kaming ano. Ayan, tapos na po ang aming visiting po sa baba. Ayan. Submit na namin yung ito papel na aming pinirmahan kay sir. Ayan, so let's go for pictorial outside. Ayan. Okay, let's go na.
Pag makayon gura kita ko ang makita jay ko. Gura ka ni apa ngay nagada yung muti ko na. Sige video kaway-kaway. Andiyan nga batch kayo. Batch 81 day. Okay, sige. Sige, happy birthday. Ang kanta kayo ang kanta, ang kansyon. Yay! Okay.
Ayan, so, Akwer,
Yung umbrella.
the celebration,
Spillway.
Ayan, so, tapos na kami doon sa tour, dyan sa Bingatan, Bingadam Powerhouse pala. So, kami po underground powerhouse ng Binga. Ito po yung nagsusupply ng kuryente ng Dihol. Luzon pala o kasi Luzon pala, no? So ayan, so Dihol Luzon po siya. Luzon Creek. So di dati pagkukuha nyo ini, di ba nato? Na nagmo-monitoring ka pala ng ano noon, mga. Okay. So we are heading to the birthday celebrant, si Engineer Class na kabats po namin. So, and guys, we enjoyed so much the tour. So, ngayon ko lang pala nakita na ganun pala yung dun sa loob niya. We learned a lot, guys. So, very educational trip po ito. At the same time, of course, excursion ng bats namin. Ayan. So, we've enjoyed very much.
At the same time, celebration of last year day.
Yes. I'm retirement.
Lagi ikot na landok madakkan. Ganon lang magpaikot yan.
Yung turbine. Yung turbine yun.
Who is our kasi po ko dijay.
Ganon lang.
Aya.
Magpaikot.
Our
Rider.
ayan. Ay, okay. So we are where's that? We are going to return our PPE. Ayan. So i-submit na namin ang mga to. So see you guys. Balik na namin ang mga PPE namin with all the ID. Ayan.
Senior citizen mapagkatiwalaan.
Yes. So, tingnan nyo baka may kulang. Ayan si ma'am ano dito.
Di ba isa?
Ayan. So submissions of PPE. So kompleto na yan. Ayan. New shoes. Ayan. So in-account po nila kasi syempre ayan. Ay siya nang nangolekta. So ay wait. Sige, di bali. Ayan, so this is the main office po ng ano, Aboitiz. Ayan, so yan si
Binga.
Ay, Binga pala. Okay.
Sabi this Binga. It's empowered.
Okay.
Is and avoid these powers.
Yan.
Being a
Now under Skatek and avoid this.
Okay. Okay, bye.